In a forgotten village, people began sneezing uncontrollably. At first, it seemed like a harmless allergy, but soon the sneezes became violent, leaving victims gasping for air. The villagers discovered a strange mold growing in the forest, whispering secrets in the wind. Those who inhaled it claimed to hear voices, urging them to clear the way. As the sneezes grew more intense, the villagers realized they were expelling not just irritants, but their very souls. One by one, they vanished, leaving only echoes of their sneezes in the night. The forest grew silent, waiting for its next victim. Like, comment, and subscribe for more chilling tales.